Hi, this is Marcia. Today we're talking human versus AI. Hi everybody, we're super excited to have you join us today. Today we're talking about some of my favorite activities I did during conferences and workshops this past summer. The one we're going to talk about today is human versus AI. And this was part of a Did I Write That AI workshop. This workshop is about 90 minutes in length, or it could be up to 3 hours. And what we really liked about this one activity was we took the time to just talk about all the tools that have AI a part of their software. This is just a quick sample of all the tools that are out there. There are every day more and more software programs are including AI. So then what we did was we talked about, okay, how do we authenticate the learning? And one of the things we want to know, did AI write it or did a human write it? So we went in, we talked to the teachers about just write about what you did for the day. Open up a Google Doc, type in what you did to get ready to come to work for the day. And I'm like, give us about 4 or 5 sentences. We can go crazy, all right? Then we took their article that they wrote about how they got started for the day and we put it into a couple AI checkers. The first one was Undetectable AI. And what we did was we put it in the article that they wrote, and then I also showcased one that I had generated from AI. So I made a blog post, a fake blog post. So I'm showing them, I'm going to copy and paste a blog post over into Undetectable AI, and it's going to give me a score, did AI write it or not? And it's going to say your content was written by AI. But here's what's really random about this website. At the bottom it says, do you want to humanize this? So a student could take an AI tool, have it write it for it, put it into a checker, and then have it humanize it. That was a big eye-opener. So they did that. They put it into the website from their article. They put it in here, and we really did see that there was mixed results. Some said it was all written by AI, and some said it was written by a human. So then we said, okay, let's go in and go to ChatGPT and have them go in and write an article about how to get ready for a school day. So we did the same thing. We copied their article that was written by ChatGPT. We put it into gpt0.me and it gave us a score. And the score was showcasing how percentage of how was it written by AI or was it written by human. And this was very fascinating, and the teachers really liked GPT-0 just because it gave it more information. But here's the thing. When the moment that you take somebody's article and you put it into an AI tool, it's actually plagiarism. So we talked about what are other ways to check to really make sure that the students were doing it. So here are some things that we really did talk about. We talked about when they're doing it, look for lack of tone, repetitions of words, emotion, experience, insight, and even do some reference checking. The biggest aha moment from human versus AI activity was really think about the process versus the end product. So just to give you a heads up, these are some of our favorite things that we did during that workshop. Did AI write it? And there are way more resources and ideas that we shared out. So if you want more information, give us click on the link and then we will send you some information about our workshop. Thanks, guys.